If you want a job but not sure what to do, here's a list of 9 tips that might help. 1. Know thyself. Identify what really interests and excites you. Understand that these traits define you and use it to explore career choices and opportunities. 2. Take a career assessment test. There are a lot of career assessment tests available online. Find the time to take one. The test gives you a lot of insights about your core competencies and work preferences. 3. Ask other people what they think about you. It's actually quite difficult to see yourself as others do. It would be to your advantage to ask friends and family on your traits and skills. Your co-workers are also a good source of information. Knowing how they perceive you, what they like and don't like about you, and what skills or traits need to be changed can be helpful in determining your professional profile. 4. What moves you? Would you be more interested in status, title, or just to make money? Do you want to make a difference in your community and the world, or just on your net worth? 5. Take charge. In the 80s, when you worked for a large company, you usually could conclude that you would be working there for your entire career. In those days, the corporation drove your career path, advancing as it saw fit. At the turn of the century, times have changed. In the span of your career, you would probably work for at least 5 companies. Know which career track you desire, and make sure that track brings you to where you wish to go. 6. Fitting in the company. With the current emphasis on streamlined and productivity-focused companies, the cultural and company fit are just as important as the professional goals. Consider the values and principles of the company and compare them with your own. It is important that you feel comfortable and fit in with company. 7. Free your mind. The career path you choose is about change and more change. It includes expansion and new opportunities. All of these changes require a desire to journey and discover. 8. Balance is the key. A huge amount of time is devoted to your career when you are in your 20s and 30s. When you reach your 40s, your personal life might take precedence and may be more important to you. Find a corporation that will provide you with a balance in your work and your life. 9. Don't hang around. If you're not satisfied with the way your career is going, go do something. Always be in control of your career path to have a satisfying career. I hope these tips help. Thanks so much for viewing.